Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to create our first Git repository. So first of all, we will create a new directory in which we will put the files and the directories that are part of our project. We will do that using the mkdir command followed by the name of the directory, for example, my project. Let's move now to the new created directory using the cd command. So now here we will put the files and the directories that are part of our project. So let's say that we want Git to track the changes of the project and save the project history. To do that, we have to initialize a new Git repository in the current directory. And we can do that using the git init command. So when executing the git init command, it says that it has initialized a new Git repository in this folder. So we notice here that when executing the git init command, a new folder called .git is created in the current directory. This folder will be used by Git to track the changes of the files and the directories in the current directory, and it will be hidden because we are not supposed to touch it. So if we execute the ls command, we didn't see anything in the directory called my project. But if we execute the ls command with the -a option, we see that we have a folder called .git. So let's see what we have in the .git folder. So here we have some files and directories that will be used by Git to save the project history and to track the changes of the files and the directories in this repository. Another thing that we have to know about the .git folder created when executing the git init command is that if we delete this folder, the .git folder, we will lose the entire project history, okay? Because everything about our project, about the files and the directories in our project is saved in this folder, in the .git folder. So if we delete it or if we remove it, so we will lose the project history. So that's it for now. I hope that everything is clear. Thank you very much, and we will continue in the upcoming lectures.